am 24 and I am married for 6 years. I have 3 kids. 3 kids, yeah. So they're age 4, age 3, and almost 1. So I'm very busy.
Let's say.
Yeah.
Okay. And are you just staying home?
I'm a stay-at-home mom. Yeah, that's my job. I mean, I have a photography business on the side. Yeah.
Okay. And so, how did you find LadyBoss?
Like everyone else, I was on the couch on my phone, because that's what I would do all day, just sit on my phone. And I saw Kaelin jumping around on the trampoline, and I wanted to hate her because she was so happy, and I was like, why is she so happy? I didn't like it, and so I kept on watching her videos, and I was that kind of person. I kept on watching her videos, and she really inspired me, and because I was very depressed, and I was very depressed during that time, and so finding something that was so simple, that was just laid out, that I could just have my grocery list, and I could have my recipes, and they're all right there, and I could work out at home, and it was all in my phone, was just perfect for what I needed in that point of my life.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So before you started LadyBoss, what were your biggest struggles? What was holding you back?
Depression and anxiety. Feeling like a failure all of the time. Myself all the time. Self-sabotage. I was a bad mom. I wasn't there for my kids. I would lay in bed all day or on the couch, and I was lazy.
And how did LadyBoss help you? How did LadyBoss change that?
Oh my goodness. How they haven't. You learn habits. You learn to love yourself. I hated myself. I hated myself so much. I hated that I was tired. I hated that I was lazy. I hated that everything, I was never good enough for myself, but I never really tried. So having the little habits that she teaches you, and learning to take little steps was huge. Tiny steps to get towards your goal, and then you get to your goal and you're like, holy crap, I did that. Life changing, completely life changing. I still struggle sometimes with depression and anxiety, but I know how to deal with it now. I have an outlet, and I'm there for my children. I'm there for my family, and I love myself now, and I take care of myself, and I'm a priority.
Which is a really hard thing for women to do.
Yeah.
Why is that so hard?
I think it's hard because of a lot of different reasons, but we like to use our kids as excuses. We like to put them first all of the time because we are their caretakers. We are the ones that have to do everything for them and for our family, and honestly, we a lot of times don't want to. I didn't want to eat healthy. I still don't want to eat healthy, but I do it anyways. I think we don't want to prioritize ourselves because of that. We're just lazy, or we think we're too busy, or, oh, I'll do that later. the biggest lie on the earth. I'll do that tomorrow.
So once you got started on your journey, did you still feel like you ran into struggles or roadblocks that kind of kept you from, and how did you deal with that?
Oh, I ran into so many, like, consistency for me is very hard. I struggle with that a lot, still. So I did, I think, so for the first couple months, I really just followed every single thing on the app, like completely to the T. And but I still struggled with like finding alternatives for things that I didn't like, you know, in the app. I didn't like some of the meals. I don't like vegetables at all. And so I still don't like vegetables. And so like finding alternatives and finding ways to do that and just honestly getting over it.
So are you making yourself eat vegetables now, or are you?
Oh yeah, I force myself to eat vegetables. I'll sit down with a bag of broccoli and just eat it. But I don't like it. But so I struggle with that. I struggle with consistency. Negative self-talk was huge in the beginning. Like, I'm not enough. I'm a failure. I can't do this. Why did you even start? Like, but then writing your affirmations and saying, and reading the manifesto. Oh, the manifesto. Like, sometimes I forget about it. And then someone is on the page and they're reading, and I'm like, holy crap, like, this is everything of what I'm feeling. So reading the manifesto has really helped. And I'm a Christian, personally. Sorry, I just probably hit the mic, but I'm a Christian. And so praying and reading my Bible for me is essential. So, and you know, once you take in healthy food and you're exercising and you're seeing progress and stuff, that is very helpful too, because you know that you started here and now you're here. Mm-hmm. And it might have been slow, but you still got there.
Okay. So what goals have you achieved as LadyBoss, and what tools helped you get there?
Oh, let's see. Well, I already said, like, I'm there for my family. That was a big thing. I was absent. And so being there mentally for my kids, especially, and for my husband, and learning how to control myself with food. And I was a shopaholic. So learning how to control my shopping habits and things like that. Let's see, I've lost 18 pounds. And I've lost 28 inches. And I've achieved a lot of goals in my house, and like, it really motivates you. Like, it doesn't just pertain to weight loss. Like, a lot of people think it's just for weight loss. It's not. It overflows into the rest of your life. And so, like, I purged my house, and like, I'm organized now, and like, I have a schedule, and like, it let me have the stepping tools to form the rest of my life. Mm-hmm. So like, for me, that was a big goal, to just get myself together.
And that's kind of how it helped you overcome like the shopping and the...
Yeah, because like, knowing like I'm enough, because I think my shopping came from the depression again. And so like, movement, working out helps my depression so much, and eating healthy and taking in lots of water and spending time with people that need me and who love me, and not being on my phone all the time. Like I said, I was on my phone all of the time and ignored my kids. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I even said that. But I'm not that person anymore. Thank God. So those are some of the things, my whole life, that God has used LadyBoss to help change me.
Okay. What do you think women who are like you maybe need to hear? What do you think you could tell them that would motivate them to join LadyBoss?
You're not alone. You're not a failure. All you have to do is start. It's simple. You just follow the trainer step by step, And honestly, I think before the trainer, I would suggest doing the 28-day challenge because it gives you the stepping stones for the trainer. And that, you know, just set goals, mini goals, and check them off. And with each one, you will have a sense of accomplishment. Like, literally, when I first started, I would make a list of stupid things to do in the morning. Just so dumb, like put your hair up. That just seems so dumb, but like you check it off and you're like, hey, I did that. And then you have a list of like things like I made my bed, I put my hair up, I got dressed. I never got dressed before. I get dressed every day now. Brush your teeth, like simple things, and then you complete them and you get it done. So my thing would be, you can do this and you're enough, and don't give up. It might not be easy, but it's totally, totally worth it.